Alright, so let's look at some pages. The first thing we're going to do is look at the home page. As you can see here in the page section, all of the pages we created are listed. Here's your home page. Let's click on that. We are using a plugin called Visual Composer. It's a page builder plugin, and basically it comes with all kinds of shortcodes, and some of the shortcodes we have added to this plugin to customize the functionality that we needed to achieve. So how this works is by blocks. Basically you create a row and then you will add whatever elements into that row and then you move on to the next one. So let's just go one by one in here. So this is the block for the banner. Let's go here. Okay, first of all, I want to mention that the header, which includes the menu, the social icons, and your logo with the background, is hard-coded, so it is the same on every single page. What you can do is customize the banner, which is this image with the orange overlay, and of course everything below that. So we're gonna go in here. The title that shows up in this blue block right here, the welcome, it usually uses the page title. However, if you go into settings, you click on a pencil, you can add any title you want. So if you want the page to be welcome, so you just know a general title, but on the front end you want it to be a different title, you can add this in here. Also, that's where you would select the picture, and the picture doesn't have to be with an orange overlay. The system will add it automatically. So whatever picture in its true color you have, you can upload it in here. The width should be about 1600 pixels wide by about 700 tall. You upload it in here and the orange overlay will be added automatically. And also below is the option to add the text that shows up under the button. Again, like I said, it's optional, so if you have a page where you don't have a button, you don't have the text, you don't have to enter anything in here. So then within the banner, we have the text, which is, my name is KCastellanos. We have the Learn More link, and we have the button. So let's go back in here. So each block consists of different elements. So this would be the text block. If you hover over it, here's your button. So click on it to edit. Here's your text. Here's the shortcut for the Learn More button. You can also insert it using this little shortcut here, so you don't have to remember what it looks like. And the link is in here. All we're doing is using the end of the permalink, because your domain would always stay the same. It's just the name of the page, and the permalink to that page will change. So all you need is to add basically the tail of the hyperlink. You can also change what it says. Instead of learn more, it could say read more, or whatever else you want to put in here. And if you make any changes, just click on save changes. Then below that, we added a button. And if you click on the general button, you see how this kind of separates. The general settings will let you select the position of the button, and then the actual button within it will let you select the color of the button, orange or blue, and the URL to where the button should link. You can select the page that's on the website. You can add a URL that's outside of the website, the title for the button, and also an option to open it in a new window or stay within the website. If it is an outside link, it's best to open it in a new window, because that way the browser doesn't close your website and the client can always come back. Excuse me. So that's how the banner works, and this will be for every page. So basically, when you come to a new page, let's start like this, and it will look like this. We're going to click on Backend Editor. I will disable this option so you always see this screen right here. All you have to do is click on Add Element. You'll see all the available options. You click on Banner. and you start building from there on. If you need to add a new section, you just click on this big plus, and you want to add a button, or you want to do a text block, or you want to separate a line, or anything else, which I will go over all of these shortcuts in the next video. You can do that. All right, let's go ahead and get out of here. Okay, so back to the home page. All of these elements can be added on any page. Just because this is called a home page, it's not an actual home page template, so any of the elements can be added on any page. So right here we have the 3 blocks. Those are the 3 blocks that show up under the banner. Here they are. Picture on the left or the right, and then the content on the right or the left. So if we click within each little block on the pencil here to edit it, you'll see here's the picture, here's your icon. I'm assuming you know the basic functions of WordPress, and to insert a picture right into the content box, all you have to do is click on Add Media. We have preloaded all the icons that are currently used on the website, but you can of course add more if you have it by clicking Upload Files here and choose it from your computer. So then below that you have your content. You have all of the headings that have been pre-styled for you in here. You can select from any heading, and then here's the little table to show the bullet points. And then as you go through all of them, you'll see that different sections just have different elements. This one you can't see because it's a white icon over a white background, of course, but the picture is here. Okay, and then below that we have the 3 blocks. Oh, missing a picture here, so that's a good idea. I'm going to add it as we are talking now. So we call these action blocks, and how this works is if you only add one picture or one action block, the picture will show up in the middle of the screen. If you add all 3, they will be in a row of 3. So let's go into this first one that's missing a picture. We'll click on Image, select your picture. Here we go. Click on it, Set Image. Here's the title, here's the description. It's very self-explanatory. And select on select the URL. That's where you link the button. So click Save Changes. Click Update on the page. And refresh. There you go. Here's your picture. Here's the link that links to the contact page. Here's the description and the title. So very simple to do. You don't have to have a pre-formatted image. So the image can be rectangular or square, as long as it fits into this box, and the frame will be added automatically. It will be cropped as a leaf, so to say, automatically as well. The rest of the stuff on the page is all hard-coded because it is part of the footer, and the footer is the same on every single page. And I will go over this section here in a different video.